ऋतिक रोशन की पहली फिल्मों का
कहो ना प्यारे।
हाँ मैंने क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट नहीं किया है।
हाँ।
पहली फिल्म के 2 गानों के टाइटल बता दो।
एक पल का जीना।
कहो ना प्यार है. My body answered before my mind could.
Tell me 3 films that Karan Johar has directed with Shah Rukh Khan.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कल हो ना हो, कुछ कुछ होता है।
फास्ट है यार। वाह। सलमान खान की एक आप दोनों में से कौन हुक स्टेप करके दिखा सकता है कोई भी गाने की? Well done.
I hope you caught that at the fact
Yeah,
that
we
she drift. I love it.
You want to try another hook step of Salman Khan?
Nice one.
Very nice, very nice. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Hangama's Hangout. I'm Rohit Khilnani. When we started this show, the promise was that the fans get to meet their favorite stars, and of course, the stars get to meet their fans. So, y'all are the select crowd that will meet the cast of the film, Ishq Wish Rebound. And should we call them, or y'all just want to see me here? Okay, no? Okay, thank you. Let's call them, let's play some music. Welcome! Thank you. We'll do everything that we have promised. We'll let y'all ask questions. We'll try and take small group pictures so that y'all are in it. We'll do all of that. So let's take a seat. Let's talk about the movie.
I was wondering where the energy was when you were walking, and then
Yeah, when you enter, you see a big empty office, and this corner is where we have
yeah, it's
saved
buzzing.
for.
It's
Yeah.
lit. Love it.
Yeah. Super, guys. This is also one of their first shows, so y'all are one of the first crowds interacting with them.
So,
Yes.
And I actually see a lot of familiar faces who we met at the mixer. Thank you so much for all of y'all coming back here to meet us.
Yes.
So sweet.
Yes, that is absolutely amazing. So, guys, I can already see tears in people's eyes. Just control a little bit, and we will talk to all of them, and we'll make sure you get to ask a question. That's why we have this crowd here. Thank you for coming, and thank you all for coming.
Thank you for having us, Rohit. Thank you.
Right. So let's first talk about the film. Let's talk about, for day one, how and when were you offered this? Where were you?
Oh, I was in Abu Dhabi actually. I was in Abu Dhabi shooting for Vikram Vedha. And there was a conversation about it. Actually, the first time there was a conversation about, Ishq Vishk being made again and them, kind of wanting me to be a part of it was in April 2021, actually. But then that conversation kind of never really took off. And then I was in Abu Dhabi after I'd shot for Mismatch Season 2. I was in Abu Dhabi shooting for Vikram Vedha in November of 2021, I think. Yeah. Is when this conversation came up. And Nipun sir, our director, is somebody I'd already worked with in Mismatch Season 1. He was a second unit director along with Akash. And I found out that he was the one directing it, Ishq Vishk. And then... and it's really funny how I found out actually. I found out when, there was a Zoom link that was sent to me for the narration. And it said Nipun Dharmadhikari. I was like, wait 1 second. What? This is so confusing. And then I messaged him. I said, are you directing? He's like, yes, I'm the one who's directing. I was like, oh shit. Okay, so that, yeah, I didn't know till then. So yeah, things got very exciting then. And so the moment I heard it, I was like, this is what I want to be a part of. And I was so excited about it. And that's how this came about.
Nice. You auditioned for it. We've been reading a lot on internet that, the makers didn't know who you were and you auditioned for it. Please tell us, where were you? When were you offered?
okay, so I had gone for a meeting with my agency collective, and right after the meeting, they called me. He's like, okay, Rameshji's just called us. There's this listing for this film open. You'll have to audition for it. So I didn't meet Rameshji or Jaya or anyone. I went and I straight auditioned for the part. And I remember reading the lines that I had for the audition, and I looked at my best friend and I was like, oh my God, this character is exactly like you. I think I've manifested it in my life because it's exactly like you. I think I'm going to get this.
Wow.
So I went and I gave my audition, and months passed. I think at least 2 months passed. But I would keep thinking about the role. It's like, oh, that role, it's exactly like my best friend Timu.
Right.
And then I got a call again saying that you've gotten the part. And I remember I was with my mum, and I just looked at her and she looked at me, and I was like, Mama, I got it.
Oh, wow,
And we both hugged each other and we were weeping.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. Naila, where were you? She says her role is something like what she is in real life is yours too.
Well, I was actually I'm from Delhi originally,
Right.
so I think lockdown had just about eased up, and the people casting for the film, they got in touch with me. I sent my audition take thinking क्या ही हो जाएगा, मतलब इतने auditions देते आ रहे हैं तो we'll see. And right, it caught me out of the blue when I got a call back for it, and they said that we've loved you for the part,
Right.
and please go down to Bombay and please meet the producer, the director, and have a conversation. So I was still not sure. I thought कि meeting होगा फिर पता चलेगा कि अगर कुछ होने वाला है कि नहीं. But I went, and they were so extremely gracious, and I think that meeting made me realize that I'm on board. But I needed to hear it from them, so I called the casting company again. I was like, "फिर से बताना, am I selected or not?" And
So
they
just
said, "You're-"
context for everyone sitting over here, sorry Naila, is that I think us as actors, and I think most of the people who are, a part of any set, I think we've all come to terms with the fact that till the time you are on set, you're not a part of the project. Things are so uncertain. Today you're on, tomorrow you're not. Today the film is happening, tomorrow it's not happening. Suddenly investors have pulled out, or suddenly the film for some reason has gotten shelved for many different reasons. So I feel like when she says that, सच्ची बताना कि मैं कर रही हूँ या नहीं, I think comes in from that.
दिल से आता है ये आवाज.
Wow, that uncertainty is quite something in your
Yeah.
business, I have to say.
Absolutely. And, of course, when you're from the outside, you have no idea whatsoever about the business. So you're very uncertain. Do they actually like me? You're constantly in a place of doubt that am I good enough?
Yeah.
So when I got that call, then pack your bags and move to Bombay.
Arey wah. Well done. Gibran, where were you? And also, are you similar to the character you play?
No, not really. Firstly, thank you, sir, for having all of us. And hello, everyone. How are you all? Are you all liking the songs? Are you all liking the teaser? Yes. Okay. Sir, to start with, so of course, I've also been hustling around for a while now. So I had got in touch with Ramesh ji, and I went to meet him. I think peak lockdown, and he very sweetly said, I have no work right now and all. So you continue, and exactly 1 year later from that date, I got a call from his assistant saying that we are casting for Ishq Wishq and we want you to come audition. And that was the earliest audition of my life, which was at 7 in the morning with Nipun sir. And I've gone with these puffy eyes and I've done the character I did. And so we've, like he said, we've been doing auditions, and somewhere, sir, when you do a good audition, आपको पता है कि ये अच्छा है, ये शायद हो सकता है, ये शायद मिल सकता है. So when I gave that audition, I had a feeling in my heart that this is something I like, I want to do. And a few months later, I get a call कि तुमको करना है तो आ जाओ, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ लो और हाँ कर दो. I went and I read it, and I was just that was my thing, sir. That's it.
So waking up at 7 o'clock paid off, right?
Totally.
Well done.
Do it.
Right. Tell me truthfully, who has seen
I
Ishq Wishq?
like the emphasis. Truthfully
सब
बताओ.
ऐसे बोलेंगे कि हाँ हमने इश्क विश्क कब देखी, पहले ही देखी थी कि ये साइन करने के बाद देखी? पहले.
Sir, सबने देखी है.
कब देखी?
I can't remember how old I was because it's also a film that came out like 21 years ago. So I don't remember how old I was when I watched it, but I do remember crushing hard on Amrita. She's so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. She is very
there's
For us, it was Shahid.
Shahid.
Yeah,
oh my
I mean,
God.
no shit.
Shehnaz also, yeah.
It was. I think a unanimous. This is something I've said before.
the
That I
boys.
feel like all boys were crushing on Amrita and all girls were crushing on Shahid.
Right.
So I do remember watching it long time ago, but I did watch it once again. I mean, of course, it's a there are some films that keep kind of playing on TV, and you keep going back, and you don't get bored of it. Those are like your comfort films. So Ishq Vishk is something that I'd watched a lot of times, but I think when I found out that I was doing it, and when things got locked, and I remember our first schedule was supposed to be in Pune, and I remember when the day I was supposed to leave for Pune, the night before, I watched Ishq Vishk, and suddenly
same.
it meant
It hit
something
different.
else. To
Yeah.
watch that film, it just suddenly you saw it with a new light. I saw it with like a whole different perspective, and it was such a special feeling that the same film, the same characters, the same everything can have two such different feelings for you. So yeah, that was really lovely.
Right. So all of y'all watched it before y'all came on sets?
Of course, sir. Like he said, it's been a cult film, no? So we've watched it like we
Wait,
know
one
the
second, I
dialogue.
feel
also
Naila
like-
hasn't.
I actually didn't. Because for me,
Right.
my perspective was thoda alag. So I thought that, in order for us to bring a fresh take into what we're doing, you can't come with the recent baggage of, something that's been so cult. So for me, I wanted to approach my character and my, camaraderie with all of them with a very fresh take. I didn't want it to kind of be kind of filtered with something that has been so iconic and holds so much of weightage. So I came totally fresh. But yeah, for me, it's just the songs. Whether it's like a
It's
Chor
the
Dil Pe Lagi,
songs. Yeah.
it's Ishq Vishk Pyar Vyar. It just is so much of nostalgia when you watch it, because I remember the little kid at home staring at my TV and dancing and seeing Shahid and like sharmawing in the corner. So it's all
But the songs, they're still so amazing. I still listen to them. Even when we were shooting, we have remade a few
Right.
of them. But to even hear the originals again, when we didn't have our version,
Yeah.
we could keep going back and listening to the original, even if it was just like that one line.
Right.
That's
Right.
the most.
Shahid said, the title track is fresh after 21 years also. What does that mean to all of you? Someone who's done this, OG Shahid Kapoor endorsing it literally.
I think it just means that Sonu Nigam sir is a legend. In all
Agreed.
honesty,
It means that.
really. I mean, you look at that. You hear his voice 21 years ago, and you hear his voice now. It's literally the same, and I'm shocked as to how amazing. And obviously, nobody can ever doubt his talent, but I feel like to be able to perform it to sound even more younger after 21 years, it really means something. And I think we're just so grateful for the
I
fact
think
that
the
we got to do
shocker
this.
is that when I saw the song and I saw all of them groove to it, I was surprised that Shahid and Sonu sir's voice has just merged together. And same with Gibran and Rohit. When I'm seeing them, lip sync to his voice, it's not looking out of place. It's
It's very sweet.
That's really sweet. Thank you.
How many times have you guys seen the song? Don't know.
हम लोग steps देखेंगे यार, steps देखेंगे.
Yeah.
we'll watch.
Yeah.
But saying that, sir, we're getting so much love, yeah. Like we were just discussing that there are reels every morning. Like that's my ritual now. I'm going. We are liking and commenting because
Right.
there's just so much love.
Yeah.
And like he said, sir, Sonu sir has just elevated this song, and we are blessed. Yeah, we are blessed
Right.
to just recreate this.
Right. Tell me what's, someone who's watched the earlier Ishq Vishk, what is different, what is similar, what is happening?
So, a lot is different. It's not a remake.
Okay.
It's not a sequel.
Okay.
It's from the same franchise. So, essentially, what's similar is the themes of love, like confusion in love, the themes of friendship. So, things that are just inherent to human nature. That's similar. That's what it's playing upon. But the story is completely different, and it's a modern take on we would call it Gen Z love.
So, yeah. So is there a lot of confusion in love in general? Is there just a general
Gosh,
question?
I think love and confusion are synonyms.
Right. So we're going to play a game and test your knowledge about Bollywood movies.
Okay.
Let's first take a guess. Once again, let's ask them, who do you think will win this?
एक second.
I love this.
This was below the belt, I must tell you guys. You'll have watched that interview previously where I sucked hard. It was so bad. That's why you're saying Rohit. Thank you. Huh? Very good. Nicely done.
Sorry, they have said. Now let's see how this is. But let me tell you, we have kept the questions very simple because we love them. We have kept it simple.
Gibran, don't be too competitive, huh?
And Rohit, just let us answer. Just let us
Tell
answer.
Gibran that.
Can this please be boys versus girls, please?
No.
I love that.
Individual.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, that's a
Chalo,
great
let's have-
idea. Chalo.
Let's have two
Come
teams.
on.
Very nicely he spoke on in Gibran's team. Who knows
Arey.
all the answers?
This is the most they've made me feel
Okay,
important
Okay,
ever.
they will decide what should be the team, guys.
No.
Yeah, see there. Yes. Best. Thank you.
जनता ने बोल
The
दिया
boys.
है,
Well,
Acha,
you
the
don't
boys.
have to move. It's fine. You're
Acha,
looking
theek hai, done. Haan, cool.
From
Okay.
far away.
boys, girls, sure.
Superb.
Okay,
To
ठीक
buck
है.
up now.
Superb. Chalo.
बच गया रोहित.
हाँ, बच गया मैं.
Okay, very simple question. I'll start with the
Wait
girls.
1 second. But who? How do we do this? Who answers?
Okay, yeah. Yes.
Acha.
So no
okay.
fighting.
Gibran, help me.
Yeah,
Shit.
Or you all want to play buzzer?
No. This is best.
This is
Ask
best.
the girls first.
Okay, girls. Who was the lead pair in Veer Zara?
Shahrukh, Preeti, Rani.
Okay. Boys. Who was the director of Jab We Met?
Imtiaz Ali.
Okay. Girls. उन्होंने भी करेक्ट आंसर दिया उतनी ताली बजा
Boys, where are the boys? Please clap for us.
That's how prompt we are. That's what's
We
exciting.
know Gibran.
अरे तो मतलब I also.
Okay. Girls, which year did Kuch Kuch Hota Hai release?
बोल
2003. 2001.
1994.
It was before
1998.
K3G 2001, so it's
1998. She said
1998.
she gets it. Yeah.
1998.
1998.
I said it first.
No. You didn't.
Yeah,
say
she-
it. This is all
won?
recorded.
Yeah.
With.
You want to take this? What?
Okay. Boys.
Let's decide.
Okay. Okay. रब ने बना दी जोड़ी में कौन सी एक्ट्रेस लॉन्च हुई थी?
Anushka Sharma.
Anushka Sharma.
Okay.
Love her.
Oh, what an achievement that is. Okay. Girls, what did Preeti Zinta play in Salam Namaste?
A DJ. No, sorry.
What?
A radio. She
Radio
was on the
jockey.
radio.
Radio jockey.
Okay.
Radio jockey. Yeah.
Okay. You almost gave it away
Sorry.
to them. Okay. Boys, name 3 romantic films of Shahid Kapoor. Or love stories.
जब भी
Kismet
मैं-
Connection, Jab We Met,
तो तेरी बातों को उलझा
तेरी
दिया.
बातों में उलझा दिया. फिदा इश्क
विवाह, विवाह.
हाँ, बस,
Yes,
बस, बस,
my
बस.
विवाह.
बस.
प्राजक्ता मारेंगे मुझे.
I said फिदा.
Right.
Tips film, tips endorsement.
Okay. Girls, what was Amir Khan's medical condition in Gajini?
Oh.
Like, I don't know the
memory
medical
loss.
term, but
He had
memory loss.
amnesia.
Yeah, memory loss, short-term
Yeah.
memory
Yeah,
loss. Right, fair enough. Okay, boys, tell me 3 films that Karan Johar has directed with Shah Rukh Khan.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कल होना हो, कुछ कुछ होता है.
Fast है यार. Yeah. Okay, girls का questions for some reason थोड़ा tough है, boys का easy है, I think. Okay.
तो switch कर दो ना.
Switch कर दो.
Yet we're getting it.
Okay, boys, coming back to you. Fault in Our Stars इंडिया में बनी थी, वो फिल्म का टाइटल क्या था?
दिल बेचारा.
दिल बेचारा.
Well done.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत and Sanjana.
संजना सांगी.
Okay, name the lead pair of the movie Bawal.
वरुण धवन, जानवी कपूर.
अबे.
Girls.
Oh sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. He asked it for us.
But we knew.
Rohit is getting competitive.
Yeah.
Looking at me. Sorry, Rohit.
What was Genelia's name?
1 second. Whose question is this?
Boys.
Okay.
What
Aditi.
was good question?
Aditi.
You all are a team basically. Yeah. You all,
This is ours.
But it is before the question could end only I gave
Yeah,
the
great.
answer.
You're a genius.
Right.
Come on.
शाहिद कपूर की 3 फिल्मों
is
के
it
नाम
for?
लो. गर्ल्स, शाहिद कपूर की 3 फिल्मों के नाम लो जल्दी से.
Jab we met.
नहीं, जो बोल चुके हैं वो नहीं.
बोल चुके हैं ना हम already.
Love story
Correct.
Heather,
Yeah, Heather, very good.
Kismet Connection.
वो बोल चुके हैं, बोल चुके हैं.
Said it. तेरी बातों में जैसा उलझा.
वो भी बोल चुका.
पाठशाला, कमीने, Heather.
एक काम करते हैं ना.
कभी नहीं.
हम रुक जाते हैं. आप इनसे ही पूछ लो.
अच्छा. ओके.
मैंने बोल
ऋतिक
दिया था.
रोशन की पहली फिल्मों का
कहो ना प्यारे.
हाँ, मैंने क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट नहीं किया है.
हाँ.
पहली फिल्म के 2 गानों के टाइटल बता दो.
एक पल का जीना and
कहो ना प्यार है. My body answered before my mind could.
राइट. सलमान खान की एक आप दोनों में से कौन हुक स्टेप करके दिखा सकता है कोई भी गाने की? Well done.
I hope you caught that at the
Yeah,
fact
yeah,
that
we
she tripped. I love it.
You want to try another hook step of Salman Khan?
Come on.
Nice one.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Amir Khan's debut movie was
Kayamat se Kayamat tak.
well done. So I think I have to safely say that boys won, right? Girls के questions, but girls के questions,
It
yeah,
was all you.
girls के questions थोड़े difficult थे.
Yeah.
We just took longer to answer.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Yeah. There's a game called Red Flag, Green Flag.
Okay.
When your partner or boyfriend or whoever posts a lot of selfies,
I mean, if it's a
Yeah.
if it's a guy, it's a
okay,
red
it's
flag.
a red flag. Rohit,
ये क्या बात हुई?
ये तो
ये मैं थोड़ा
controversy
समझा
होगी.
नहीं. आप इसको elaborate करिए.
Yeah, yeah, good question.
Elaborate.
Thoda
Okay,
explain,
fine.
explain.
I'll tell you why. It's if it's a girl, it's fine. It's chill.
Why?
Because it's a guy. I just feel.
Boys,
Like-
once I would like to say, our boys in the audience are sitting too quietly. We
There-
need moral
There are
support.
only three. I can see only three.
There are a handful of
We
boys.
need moral support over here.
Okay. हाँ.
Okay, I just feel like
Yeah, I click lots of
Politely
selfies.
doing
Politely
it.
बोलने से
they
ना,
might be doing it for female attention.
and you do it
But
for
I do it
self-obsession.
for myself.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely,
Correct, correct.
lovely,
No,
lovely,
no,
lovely.
she's honest. She gets this one. Honestly, बोल रही है यार. That's great.
Rohit, you put pictures. You don't put selfies on your story.
Pashmina, I
I'm
put a
not
lot
talking
of
about you.
selfies.
Okay, Rohit.
अच्छा पश्मीना अगर डालेगी तो ये green flag है red flag है.
Okay. Right.
तुम्हारे
Right?
answers होने
हाँ.
चाहिए, ठीक है?
तो ये मेरा ही तो आंसर है.
हाँ. चलो, Naila. If the guy is putting,
I think it's a green
it's okay. It's okay. ठीक है.
Thank you.
खुश रहो.
करने दो ना
Yeah.
ऐसे जितना दिखाना है दिखाने दो.
हाँ.
है तो मेरा ही.
Oh.
Green.
Green.
And I click lots of selfies.
Yeah.
So yeah, green.
Green. Okay. Not posing together in public with you.
Is
Is a green flag or a red flag?
Red.
Maybe it's early stage. Maybe it's.
ऐसा क्या छुपा रहे हैं?
हाँ, ये तो बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट पैनल है हमारा. Okay. Has a best friend of the opposite gender who they are spending the most time with, telling everything, green flag. Okay, if your partner's if your partner's has a opposite sex best friend and they're spending most time with them and telling them everything, red flag. Green, you are saying green.
I would like to be woke about this, but
एक ही flag
definitely
ऊपर करो.
not. भाई.
No.
Real world
we
में-
promote healthy friendships.
No. Honestly speaking.
Yeah.
No, कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा तो.
Okay, थोड़ा तो.
That's a red flag for self, not for the other person.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a bit
Okay,
unfair.
okay,
That is
fair
your
enough.
answer.
Honest answer. Okay. Sharing the smallest detail from morning to night on Instagram. Coffee,
Oh my God.
toothbrush, toilet.
Red flag.
Love snaps.
Yeah. Wow, these are very different answers. Well done. Okay.
You like that about your partner?
If they share everything on Instagram.
Toothbrush.
मतलब मैं भेजता हूँ snap.
हाँ.
Are they not the snap to you on Insta to the whole
Oh,
world?
नहीं मतलब
Publicly, he's saying.
publicly no. I
Okay,
don't, मतलब it's not.
Okay, you can give your partner, yeah, all
It's
the pictures. but-
irrelevant ना publicly क्या हो रहा है वो तो
Okay.
छोड़ो अभी.
Okay, if you are in a live-in or you're in a marriage and you're getting into it and the first thing they say, bank account merge kar do, boss.
अरे भाई. बड़े मेहनत से कमाए.
Naila said green flag.
Okay. Put your red flags down. Red flags ही ऊपर आ रहे हैं. Okay. If they are in touch with their ex, red flag or green flag?
मतलब
मतलब just in touch, whatever. You can make whatever out of it. Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
I just feel like it gets. I just feel
Huh.
why it's a red flag because I feel like it gets a bit of negativity into the space.
Okay.
Because there's always some back and forth.
Okay.
Same answer.
Same.
I feel like it would depend on the situation. If
Okay.
it's like a girlfriend or a boyfriend you've had at the age of 16, then it's green.
Okay.
But
ठीक
if
है.
it's like 2 months ago, then red.
Okay.
Then you're rebound, buddy.
हाँ.
You're not.
And you're a rebound.
Okay.
And rebounds are a green flag. Just kidding.
Okay. If your partner is सब record हो रहा है. If your partner is just every discussion boils down to politics. ये ऐसा वो ऐसा वो ऐसा. Red flag or
It's a
green
red flag, red flag.
No space for that.
Okay.
It's okay.
LSR.
Good. We need yeah. Okay. If your partner asks you or requests you or subtly tells you or forces you to become a vegan or a vegetarian and you're not. Red flag. Okay. If your partner is talking to all your friends behind. Niche.
Behind your back.
No, behind your back, and they're in touch with them directly on Instagram and chatting with your friends all day.
All day.
Means whatever all the time. कि हाँ whatever you say हाँ मुझे तो पता है मैंने उसने मुझे बता दिया.
I should be a point of contact.
ठीक है. Okay.
चलो green उठा तो सही.
Hello. Finally. Okay. If your partner or potential partner asks you for your social media password,
अरे
No chance.
क्या छुपा रहे हो ऐसा?
बहुत कुछ.
Very honest. Okay. If your partner has too many virtual friends, पूरा दिन.
Virtual friends meaning like if
Instagram.
Too much on the phone. You're
Yeah,
saying.
too much of the phone and
Yeah,
just
red
making
flag.
new friends every day and all. All the on
making
Insta-
new friends?
on Instagram कि इसका मैसेज आ गया और फ्रेंड बन गए.
Yeah, that's like so unnecessary.
Okay. Okay, if you're Rohit, you want to add something?
share it with the class.
Share it with the class. Come on.
Share it with the class.
she's always texting.
But I'm not making new friends every day.
We don't
no.
know.
And
You're not
it's-
sharing your password also.
Maybe I'm the red flag.
Right. If your partner is too brand conscious, some people like it, no harm, but what do you think?
Brand conscious doesn't like I'll only wear brands.
Only wear this, only wear this, only wear Gucci, only wear Prada. And
नहीं है.
चलो हम दिल्ली से
क्या है वो? हाँ.
मतलब
It's a red flag.
Okay, it's a red
only.
flag. हाँ.
मतलब we actors तो should not answer this. We only wear भाड़े का clothes.
हाँ.
So like now if we say that अरे we are very brand conscious, it'll be a little मतलब hypocrite, no?
Right. Since you all are actors, if your partner is too critical about, will you all like to listen to honest ki yaar, you were not good in this?
Always.
Absolutely.
Everybody,
Always.
not only
It's
part.
very important.
I mean, I'm very stubborn, so I sometimes like argue, but deep down I know that it's constructive.
Okay.
So then definitely.
Probably convince her boyfriend that no, you are wrong. I was good.
हाँ.
You don't know it.
Okay. Media asking personal questions, red flag or green flag? अरे तो हम क्या करेंगे फिर यार?
Red flag.
Okay, well done, guys. This was fun. Big hand to them. Big hand. Mostly we should have just kept red flags. I don't know green flag रखे ही क्यों हमने. So now I think we should come to you guys for questions. Who has a question? Raise your hand, and we will come.
Okay, so my question is to Rohit.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Mokshita.
Mokshita. Hi, Mokshita.
So I wanted to ask, how do you personally connect with the character in your film, Ishq Wish Rebound, and what is your view on the love in that movie?
I feel like I don't necessarily relate too much to the character. Apart from the fact that I do things because I'm too afraid to hurt by saying no. I think that's something that Raghav does a lot. He finds it hard to say no. So I think I do relate to that a little bit. But I'm also learning boundaries. So that is one bit where Raghav and I don't quite match because he, well, struggled to learn boundaries. What's my viewpoint about love in the film? Oh, I think it's very sweet. I think it's very sweet, and I like the love in the film. It's
Nice. Yeah.
Also, I wanted to ask all of you one scene that you all have shot together and that's most memorable.
That the four of us
I
shot
have one. I
together?
have one. In the Pune campus.
Oh,
The four of us. Yeah.
What's the scene you want to tell them? Like,
No, then वो मार पड़ेगी फिर.
हाँ.
No, you can
I
tell
think-
them. It's not.
No, there was just like a sass bit between
Me
Sanya and Ria, their characters, and we both were just standing behind and being like, "Whoa!" So that was.
I wasn't
quite a
going.
treat.
Whoa.
No,
That was Simran. That
I
was
was like,
Simran's
"Whoa."
character.
nice. Okay, you have got this flowers. You want to give it to Rohit? You want to ask a question or you want to just give the flower? Please ask.
Hi Rohit.
Give-
You're
give
looking
your
so
name.
handsome today.
He
My
looks
name is
handsome
Dhara.
every day.
But I didn't get your name.
My name is Dhara.
Dhara.
Yeah.
Hi, Dhara.
So my question is, do you think a long distance relationship works according to you?
I would like all three of them to answer.
Yeah, all of you all answer. This is a good
no,
question.
He
मेरा नहीं
doesn't.
चला यार.
कहाँ चलता है?
Not at, are you in a long distance
No,
relationship?
Arey,
According to
Time zones also matter.
Yeah.
Time zones matter. India में तो शायद chance
Are
है.
you?
No.
No, you're not.
you're
Just
not?
asking according to you, does it work?
I want to know why you asked me.
Yeah, why you ask?
Just I wanted to ask.
Okay.
I don't
But
think-
Naila was the first one to say nahi chalta hai. So you have like you've been there, done that.
तुम्हारा भी नहीं चलने दूंगी मैं.
कोई भी मत करो. नहीं चलता यार. Especially with
मतलब-
the time differences going on, then because I
मतलब
feel
this
like
is from experience you're saying. ऐसे ही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ लोगों के लिए.
I think blanket सवाल नहीं दे सकते कि नहीं चलता. I
Okay.
feel like intentions matter.
Okay.
चलाना है तो कैसे भी चल सकता है. और अगर नहीं चलाना तो मतलब तुम एक घर में रह के भी नहीं चला पाओगे.
Right.
Is what I feel.
Yeah.
So,
Pashmina, you didn't answer this.
I think he said it very well.
Okay.
That it
Intention.
depends on how much work you want to put,
Yeah.
how you treat the situation, how much of yourself you give that relationship, and how much of that relationship you make your life.
सुलझा हुआ answer.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to give your flower? Yeah. That's sweet.
Music.
Yeah. There, can you pass the mic behind?
So,
hello,
hi, guys.
ma'am. How are you?
Name, where are you
We
from?
meet again.
Should I tell my name?
Yes, of course. You should. I mean, everyone else. wants to.
Hi guys, my name is Bhumika, and my question to you all is: since Ishq Vishk Rebound is about the Gen Z love, so what would your advice be to the Gen Zs who think they are accidentally born in the Gen Z generation because they think like their mentality is millennials, they want the old school love, but with the whole situationships and a lot of ships going around, so what do we do? Like, do we keep hope? And any advice?
Of
you guys
course,
have?
always. You must always
Yeah?
keep hope. Of course. Absolutely.
मिल जाएगा soul में.
You manifest what you
of
want.
course.
मत रखिए सब मिलेगा.
You have such a lovely smile.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and I would say that for you, love yourself first and give yourself all the love that you need and you require, and I think then you will manifest that in your life as well.
Here's
Old
to
school love.
manifesting, and here's to Ishq Vishk Rebound being a blockbuster.
Thank you.
Here's to
Thank
Bhumika.
you.
I also just wanted to say publicly, because you did this for me publicly, I really, really appreciate what you wrote for me. It really made me day. It made me day. Made my day. Genuinely, and there are times when you beautiful. I'll show it to you. We actually met at the mixer, so some of them actually weren't
I
allowed
couldn't
to
come
come
inside.
in.
I wanted to meet all you guys, but here's me standing right here.
Yeah.
So nice
So I'm
to meet
happy
you.
about it.
Yeah.
Nice that we could meet.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate that some of them actually couldn't come in because of the age limit. Once again, really, really sorry about that.
Don't have
But
to be
thank
sorry,
you
it's
so much for waiting on me. I'm so glad that I got to meet you that night. I'm so glad that we all got to meet you again today. What you wrote, what you posted means the world, and it's really in one of my saved drafts that I keep going back and revisiting because it really genuinely means the world. So thank you so much.
So sweet. Nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I'm glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here. Next one.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hi.
We meet again.
again.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. So my question is, what do you think about online dating or online friendships?
See, I wouldn't want to say anything about online dating because to whoever, like for whoever it works, it works. I do want to say something about online friendship, and this is one thing that I've been catching on to a lot. I am so glad for it. It's it's really beautiful, Rohit, because I see this really fantastic camaraderie and shared love. That I'm sorry, I'm going to talk about this, but like there's a thing called hashtag Sarafians where all of these beautiful girls and boys, they've all come together and they share such a beautiful camaraderie with one another. They send me messages where even when it's somebody's birthday, they would all collectively send a message saying, hey, listen, it's this one's birthday, can you please message? They've written the most beautiful posts about each other and sent me messages saying thank you so much for making us share this love for you because it means so much to us. So I honestly think that online friendships, all of you guys, y'all are incredible. Y'all have my heart. I think all of us love you, all the Serafians, and I'm all in for this online friendship because I love it. Thank
That's
you.
amazing.
Thank you so much.
Nice. You want to pass the mic? Yeah.
Okay, so hi everyone, this
Hello.
is Alina.
Hi, Alina.
And I talk through poetry and I will ask you all a little छोटा question through my poem. So here we go.
Oh, nice.
एक कॉफी गिराने को भी इन्होंने कर दिया हिट. अब इस बार क्या नया ला रहे हो रोहित? जादू बिखेरेंगी या हर पल एक पल सा जीना सिखाएंगी? तो है क्या छिपा रोशंस में जो अब पश्मीना दिखाएंगी? किसी को थप्पड़ से इंसाफ दिलाएंगी या देखने मिलेगा एक नया अंदाज? तो नाइला, क्या है आपके इस रोल में कुछ नया खास? इसमें भी आप क्या हमेशा सिर्फ दिल की ही सुनेंगे या दिमाग के बोल भी बोलेगी जुबान? इस बार क्या नई फिलॉसफी पढ़ाएंगे आप जिब्रान?
How lovely
I
is
know,
that?
Beautiful. My
Thank you so much. This
I
is
know.
superb, yeah.
Super. Big hand, guys. Big
Thank
hand.
you so much. Thank you.
Well done.
ओके, सो लास्टली आई नो मेरा सवाल थोड़ा मिसमैच सा है. क्या इश्क की इस रेस में हर किसी को कोई मिल पाएगा या फिर कोई एक बेवफाई के थप्पड़ भी खाएगा? पर क्या जीत सिर्फ इश्क की होगी, सिर्फ इश्क की?
Oh my
Well
God.
done. Super. Brilliant. Amazing.
Thank you.
Super, super.
Thank
Big
you.
hand. Guys, big hand, please. Yes. इतना prepared तो मैं भी नहीं आया. Well done.
पर इसका आंसर आपको सिर्फ 21 जून को मिलेगा.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see you there then.
100%. That was superb. Thank
What's
you.
your name?
Thank you so much.
Alina.
Alina, that was
You're very talented.
they're very sweet, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's the most innovative we've got to now. So well done.
Right.
So
And keep writing.
Yes.
Sure,
Keep
I
writing.
will. I will. That I will. Thank you.
Right. You can pass the mic in front.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
We meet again.
For the third time.
Thank you for remembering that. I just want to thank you all for being amazing human being. इश्क विश्क तो चल ही रहा है, चलता आएगा. But you guys are amazing. The kind of vibes you give, like I leave everything and I come again. I certify myself as a follower, real life, a stalker, anything and everything. But I just want to say a heartfelt thank you to all of you.
Thank
Like,
you.
consistency is the key, and you guys have been so amazing. Like, I am not being paid for saying all this, but yeah, you guys are amazing. Yeah, keep shining, keep rocking. First day, first show, and
thank you
it's
so
so
much.
freaking amazing. And I come from that Ishq 21 years ago, where I saw that Ishq movie in Indore at a cinema hall, and I was like, wow, like such an amazing movie. And I am living again to see this movie again.
Oh, thank you so much.
So, yes, it's amazing. Thank you. I love you all.
I
God
know.
bless you.
I'm a really firm believer that if someone sees something good in someone, it's something
It's
that
a
they
reflection
already
of
have
them.
in
Yeah.
themselves.
Pashminam,
Hi.
hello. This is
Hello.
Kritika.
Hi, Kritika. Nice to
My
meet you.
question is ki before signing Rishk Vishk, did Hrithik sir give you any advice?
Ooh, ये तो that's something.
Yeah, he's given me a lot of advice. He's given me a lot of feedback. I still receive feedback from him as things of the movie comes out. The main feedback was always been to give your 100% in everything, but also to not stop there. Matlab, if you've seen whatever you've done, see how you can get better and better and better and keep improving. So if you notice, it's something he does. He's always better with every film he does. And I really hope I can do the same thing as well.
I want to add to that. You know, I
Yeah.
love Hrithik. I've known him from his first film. What do you want to learn from him? What should one learn from him?
His mind is unlike another. I've never seen somebody that thinks like him, that analyzes like him. His brain is always solving some kind of puzzle, and there's always some puzzle to solve. And I think that is why he is able to get better and better with everything he does and how much hard work he puts. I really wish I could learn that skill from him. The ability to be able to put that much effort into becoming, into seeing your faults and to becoming better on that.
Amazing.
You know, things that other people also would not see. You have to be aware of yourself that way. And I hope to cultivate that in myself.
True. I want to ask the boys, in fact.
Just add to that
Yes.
about Hrithik sir. Actually, I think one thing one must learn from him is his kindness. Because I'll give you a small anecdote. This is something that I've spoken about before. We were in Abu Dhabi, and I had that. Have you all seen Vikram Vedha, guys?
Yes.
Okay, great. So in Vikram Vedha, there's that scene where I sit across and I talk about, you know, all the big small loan big smile scene, right? That was one of the first scenes I was shooting with him, and I was so nervous about it because, you know, there was this dialect that I had to follow, and it was a big scene with like lots of dialogues, and I didn't want to mess it up. And you know, it happens that when you think so much about it, you end up doing exactly that. So I started to mess up, and you know, take one happened, take two happened, take three happened, and this is my close up while Hrithik sir is sitting there very kindly giving his cues. We're on take 11 and then take 12, and you know, the directors are realizing that I'm getting really nervous. I remembered the lines, I remembered everything. We had rehearsed for it a couple times before, and everything was fine in rehearsal. But the moment they said action, I started messing it up. And I kept apologizing to Hrithik sir and to the director, saying that I'm really sorry, I'll get it right. You know, once the scene was done, and he kept, you know, calming me down that it's fine, it'll be fine. Once the scene happened, you know, he said that you did really well. And then, you know, right after that, there was lunch break. And he actually took me on the side and he said, I want to know why the hell were you apologizing? And I said, you know, I'm really sorry. I was apologizing because I didn't want you to wait. I was feeling terrible about the fact that I wasn't getting it right and that you had to do it so many times because of me, and the directors had to wait for so long. And, you know, he just said that when we're on set and in life, we're equals. You know, we're both actors, no matter my experience versus yours. And when we both come to perform a scene, we're both coming to perform a scene so that we can elevate it together. If that means that you have to give as many takes as you want, you should not be apologetic for it because you're only trying to improve. And for me, I thought that was really big of him to, you know, do that. Because for me, somebody like me, who's anyway, like, I get really flabbergasted with pressure and stuff. So when I was there, that was such a huge confidence boost for me. After that, I don't remember a single day where I felt underconfident or I felt nervous about performing with him. In fact, there was this safety net that was suddenly built, where I felt that, okay, you know what, if I fall, he's going to be there to catch me. And to be able to get that kind of confidence from your co-actor, who is such a huge star, is I think commendable. So I think one really must learn kindness apart from all the
Humble.
other things.
The actor aside, he is one of the most incredible human beings. And
Absolutely.
he's the type of person that sees good in everything and everyone.
That is really amazing. Big Hrithik fan. How many Hrithik fans here, guys? Super.
Everyone,
Yes, you have a question?
I had posters in my hostel.
I think everyone did.
Hi everyone, my name is
Hello.
Neil Roy.
Hi.
So I want to ask you, what's your advice for aspiring actors?
Yeah, I think just don't let the rejections get to you. That's one thing that I've kind of always followed. Do not let rejections get to you ever, because there will be many, no matter how good or bad you are. And always keep believing that if this is really something that you want to do, and you're not doing this because of any other reason. I think if this is something you really want to do, one day you will achieve it, and that day might come in 12 years later, 15 years later, 5 months later, 2 days later. But just do not give up is what my advice would be, and work really, really hard.
So I remember first seeing you in Sky is Pink. At that time, I was 10 years old and I was just amazed with your performance, sir.
Suddenly, I don't know why I felt old hearing that.
So I was just amazed with your performance. And then I saw Naila ma'am in Mamla Legal Hai. I
How old
went
were you then?
Season 2 is coming.
this year. And then I got surprised when I heard that Gibran sir was in K3G. I was just like, what? So many of these stars are in movies.
That's really sweet.
Thank you so
I
much,
actually
guys.
want to add something for you because as a fellow outsider, I just want to say that the most important thing to do to become an actor is that learn to persevere. Because there's going to be a lot of times where you just have to constantly wait. So learn to enjoy that waiting process and do it with a smile on your face because you never know when your chance will come.
Thank you.
It's
Neil,
actually a
you need to be at it. Rose. Actor बनना है तो रोज भाई you have to have that mindset. You have to be ready for more rejection than appreciation. But वही हार नहीं मानना है यार because it's a very competitive line. It's very tough. So be at it. Like don't be like नहीं कर लिया because like he said, you know, कभी ना कभी वो मौका आएगा. And for that time you have to be prepared. Okay? Smile more.
There's a question here. Yeah.
Hi, Gibran. This
Hello,
is
hi.
Nikita.
Hi,
We have
Nikita.
met before at Mixer.
Yes, of course I remember. Yes.
So I only came because of you.
How
I
sweet.
want to
Thank
meet
you.
you again.
Thank you.
And I just want to say you have really, really, really pretty eyes. And I am not able to look into it straight. I'm just focusing my vision over there. I'm just. Yes.
How sweet.
That is so sweet. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, don't shiver. Sit.
Hi Rohit, hi
Hello.
Pashmina, hi
Hi.
Naila, hi Gibran.
Hello.
We meet again. I
yes,
was like,
at the Mixer. Yes.
So my question is, I wanted to ask, do you guys believe in manifestation or like the universe thing? Like sometimes we have some things in our mind which we feel are too good to be true, but it happens. Because I have this one thing, I used to always think that कभी मुझे ऐसे randomly रोहित मिल जाए ऐसा
How sweet.
ऐसे बस मेरे दिमाग में ये चीज़ चल रही
रोड पे चलता फिरता
हाँ और ये हुआ एंड वो चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में चलती थी एंड आई नो दैट इट्स लाइक टू गुड टू बी ट्रू ऐसा बहुत रेयरली कहीं पे हो सकता है एंड इट हैपेंड एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे ऑनवर्ड आई वाज लाइक शिट एनीथिंग कैन हैपन सो is there any moment that you feel has happened with you which is good to be true?
This is honestly so sweet. Thank you so much. This really made me so happy. I think we all believe that manifestation does.
I've said it like 3 times in this interview.
My life is all about that. I manifested being an actor, wanting to do these kind of films, having people like you all around me for years now. You know, it's been. I started off when I was 15. I'm 27 now. It's been a journey of manifestations. I sincerely believe in it, and I feel like your thoughts have the power. And thank you so much for keeping me in your thoughts. You've really. I'm so touched right now with what you said. Thank you.
Thank you. Who are you manifesting running into next? Yeah.
No, actually, literally nobody runs in my mind the way you do.
So sweet.
No wonder I've been tired.
Right, we'll take 2-3 more questions because we can go on. And yeah, okay, let me come here and then this side. Yeah, you all have got a poster. Yes. You, and then we go there. That's it.
Very, very good. Okay. I'll see you outside. Thank you.
Hi Rohit.
Hello.
Hi Rohit. Hi everyone. I'm Apeksha. I'm Apeksha.
Apeksha.
And I wanted to ask you all, since this movie is all about relationships, what is your ideas on a perfect date? Is it a cold coffee date or some other idea?
Perfect date. I think it's a movie date on the 21st of June. That's
Yeah,
the perfect idea
that is
of
the
a date.
perfect idea.
Okay, and you can give the same answer. Perfect date.
Okay, fine. A perfect date would be something fun in the beginning, So maybe like going go-karting or to an escape room or something, and then like delicious street food. So either pani puri or pani puri for sure. And then just going home, watching a movie, or going to the theater and watching a movie, preferably on the 21st of June.
That's a long day.
It has to be a saga.
See, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ तो खाना बहुत important होता है. So something where there is momos,
Yes.
छोले भटूरे, butter chicken.
Oh my god.
Gap होगा सबके बीच, but
You've seen that video of Virat Kohli where he talks about how he'd like to spend his day eating? That's basically me.
Naila's date.
every
Superb.
Delhi wala understands what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So a lot of that food, and I think I would be the happiest person. I think so will the person who's on the date with me.
So, being a Bombay guy, because Delhi, my ideal date would be a nice
Getting
meal.
rejected by an auto rickshaw.
वो तो होते ही रहता है. But I think Bombay रात को बहुत beautiful लगता है. So I would like to go for a drive and hear some good music and have a conversation. So yeah, drive because Bombay में वही time पे जगह मिलती है.
Hi, this is Ritisha, and my question for y'all is, who would you choose as a character in Ishq Vishk for real life?
That's a nice one.
Like to hang out with.
No, to be a person.
Ah, to hang out with.
I would choose Sanya.
I would choose Maxu.
Max was the dog in our film.
Yeah, the dog. I would choose myself. I like my character.
Yeah. I like her clothes also and her house.
Okay, thank you. And I would just pray that your movie will go hit.
Oh,
Thank you.
so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Yeah, you want to comment that? She's been standing for long, right? Please come. Yeah, you want to give me this?
Yeah, I made it for you.
Well done. How much time does it take to sketch this, to make this? A week?
Wow. Big guys. Who said hours?
Who said hours?
ये कौन है आर्टिस्ट? भूमिका? हाँ.
So this took a week, right?
Yeah, for me, but like the ones who practice it daily can be like in hours.
Nice. Thank you.
It's so nice.
Really nice. Well done. Yeah. Okay, come.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
अगर मैं fumble करूँ तो माफ करना. Like I am really nervous because I love Rohit Sharma. So
I love it. मुझे शराब बोल चुके हैं लोग, सर्फ बोल चुके हैं, शराब बोल चुके हैं, सब beautiful.
Okay, so I have pickup line for Rohit Sharaf and Jibra Khan. Yeah.
Pickup lines for us.
Yeah. I don't have degree from college Sharaf, but I might have it as my surname.
Clean bold, एकदम clean bold.
Love
Superb.
it.
Thank you, thank you.
My Wi-Fi is 5G, but my heart is for you.
Oh. Love you, yeah.
I want to give something.
Of course, please.
Do we also get something?
Yeah, now Naila and I are feeling left out.
हमें भी दे दो यार.
He's saying मैं hero हूँ, मैं बाद में आया.
Sharaf.
Saying मैं हूँ ना. And I'm like, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For a second.
Oh, you are.
How sweet.
So you want me to sign here?
So sweet.
Guys, we're taking one more question and then y'all want to dance or no? Question of course.
Lovely girl.
So guys, we're doing this quick so that more people get to ask questions.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Lucky.
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 Yeah.
Wow, what a lucky name.
Aren't we lucky?
Yeah.
Okay, so my question is, what gives you butterflies in a relationship?
Naila should ask this. Answer this. Because she keeps saying she wants the butterfly.
He wants butterflies.
Rohit, if I knew what the answer was, then I think love would be an easy puzzle to solve, right? So it's those unsaid words that make you feel lightheaded and give you butterflies in your stomach. So if you know what it is, I don't know about that love. But if you don't know what it is, but you're feeling it, then that's the real deal.
Basically आंसर नहीं है.
फीलिंग है,
Till
समझ
now, I
जाओ.
don't think she's felt it.
Arey, they've understood Gibran.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Pari.
Hi,
Hi,
Pari.
Pari.
My question is for everybody. Do you guys believe in love at first sight?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you share something?
No.
Your experience.
sight. I love your earrings.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I feel like, yeah, that spark when you first see someone holds true. You do kind of like how this woman feels it for him. But yeah, that spark makes a huge difference. But I think at the end of the day, friendship is the foundation, right? So if you're good friends with someone, then I think that love is just going to be like that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pari.
Hi everyone. Hello. Firstly, you're looking very gorgeous, all of you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. So
Listen,
are you.
you're looking at Gibran and saying gorgeous?
No, all of y'all. All of y'all. I am Asmi. And
Hi, Asmi.
Hello. And my question to you is, when was the first time you had your first crush? Like in school or when was it?
Yes, Charu ma'am.
Teacher. I
What
think.
should I say? Okay, I'm not saying the name. I had a crush on this boy that used to sit with next to me in 4th grade, and I used to think he was being mean to me by he would keep saying moti, 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 and then later I realized he's not saying moti, he's calling me a moti. So I think he had a crush on me back, but none of us did anything.
That's cute. Also,
I've spoken about it before. I had a huge crush on this teacher called Charu ma'am in Technical
same.
International
Yeah, yeah.
School. This is very sweet.
For me, I think Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was the first film I saw in the theater. And I remember seeing Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and just being mesmerized. So I think that was like my first like crush on a celebrity or something.
Like Rohit only. I think it was one of my class teachers. Yeah. Yeah. First, second standard types. बोलूँगा नहीं कौन but.
Hi guys,
Oh.
I'm Disha. So I have something for you, Rohit.
Yes, I saw that.
Oh. How many hours?
This is the second version. So the first
Show,
one was
show,
bad.
Oh, it's so nice.
It took about 2 hours.
Thank you so much.
Fine, you win.
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Finally.
Yay!
Woo!
Finally.
This is Aryan. Yeah.
Hi,
and-
Aryan.
Hi. So I'll start with a pickup line for the beautiful ladies.
Yes,
Yeah.
good. Thank
So,
you.
Today I finally got the synonym for the beautiful, which is you.
Woo,
And
love it.
one question.
अच्छा बेटे, एक तीर से दो निशाने, दो पिकअप लाइन तो मार.
Ek second, Aryan, you were looking at Pashmina. You didn't give me one, huh?
अब फंस गया.
Like how he said,
अब फंस गया.
pick up
एक ही
line for
prepare
two
करके आया था.
beautiful ladies.
एक पिकअप लाइन मेरे पास है.
किसने बोला? Oh, nice,
Okay,
nice.
okay, great.
तो फिर
ये सपोर्ट में साथ में. Nice, nice.
टैग टीम.
So no, one
जिसको जो
question.
पसंद आएगी वो तू लिख लेना. हाँ. Nice, very nice.
So glad my dog didn't see you because it started wagging his tail, looking at beautiful girls.
This is also for both of us. I love it. Thank you.
One question.
Decide, Pashmina or Naila?
No, it's all of.
Okay.
All four.
Yeah. So no pickup line. So for the, it's a fun question.
Fun question.
कि in the set, किसने ज़्यादा bloopers और the retakes would have taken?
कौन ज्यादा टेक्स लेता है? Yeah.
Answer, guys.
हम बोले कि बस
नहीं,
ऐसे
नहीं, बोलो, बोलो, बोलो,
Self-proclaimed.
बोलो.
Gibran is self-proclaimed.
I
for this.
take this.
And what is the fun moment? Like वो bloopers क्या था वो?
Forgetting lines.
Correct.
Tickling each other. Scratching each other.
Tickling each other happened when, bro.
making
Who
up
were you
rubbish.
tickling?
I'm making up rubbish.
He doesn't know.
Fumbling lines.
She doesn't know. You know.
I think Gibran is tickling somebody else, thinking it's us.
Gibran, who were you tickling? We need behind the
Guys,
scenes
I
of
was
this.
just doing extra masti. Yaar.
Okay,
It was
okay,
basically only fumbling on lines.
Right.
You know what the masti was? That these two used to make a lot of fun of me and the way I used to laugh.
Yeah.
She has a unique laugh.
Pashmina laughs like this.
Do I talk like this? Do it?
I have never.
So Pashmina has this thing whenever she's in a mood ना and she's आपकी बात कुछ सुन रही है तो वो हंसते हंसते ऐसे कहती है तो अभी आप लोग नोटिस करना कोई भी इंटरव्यू में she'd be like so yeah that is the cute thing about Pashmina.
Great, guys. You know, this was a fun round. We can go on and on, but y'all want to dance, I'm told. Let's go.